Lost your iPhone, or worse, it's been stolen. Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to recover your data without having your phone in your hand. We'll start with Apple's built-in options. I'll show you the limits and then I'll share a smarter way using Dr. Fone data recovery for iOS, so you can grab only the files you need. And as a bonus, I'll also teach you how to locate your lost iPhone and remotely lock or erase it to protect your privacy. Apple gives us two main ways to get your data back without the phone itself. Option 1. iCloud Backup. If iCloud Backup was turned on, simply go to iCloud.com, log in with your Apple ID, and you'll see sync data like your photos, contacts, notes, and iCloud Drive files. If you want everything back, you can set up a new iPhone and choose Restore from iCloud Backup during the setup process. Option 2. iTunes Backup. If you ever connected your iPhone to a computer and made a backup using iTunes, you can connect a new iPhone to the same computer and restore from that backup. Now here's the catch. Both iCloud and iTunes backups are all or nothing. You can't just grab a few photos, a single WhatsApp chat, or your contacts. You have to restore the entire backup to another device, which can overwrite any data already on that phone. That's where most people get stuck. This is where Dr. Fone data recovery for iOS really shines. Here's how it works. Install Dr. Fone on your Windows or Mac computer. Open the program and select Recover from iCloud Backup or Recover from iTunes Backup. For iCloud, sign in with your Apple ID and complete two-factor authentication. For iTunes, just select your local backup from the list. Dr. Fone will scan your backup and show you every file inside: photos, videos, contacts, messages, call logs, WhatsApp chats, notes, and more. With Dr. Fone, you get the ability to recover data without having iPhone in your possession. Full preview before recovery, so you know exactly what you're getting. Support for both iCloud and iTunes Backup. Export in usable formats like JPG, PDF, and CSV. A step-by-step process that's easy enough for anyone to follow. I've linked Dr. Fone in the description so you can download it and try it right now. Also, if you want, you can watch my Dr. Fone review from the I button. Before we move on, let's talk about finding your lost iPhone. Because recovering the device itself is even better. Here's how. On another iPhone or iPad, open the Find My app. Or on any other device, go to iCloud.com/find. Sign in with your Apple ID. You'll see your iPhone's last known location on the map. If it's nearby, you can play a sound to help you find it. If it's somewhere unfamiliar, do not go there yourself. Contact local authorities. If you think your iPhone was stolen, you can protect your data right from the Find My page. Select your lost device, tap Mark as Lost. This locks it with a passcode and displays your contact info on the screen. Or choose Erase iPhone to delete all the data remotely. Even if it's erased, activation lock stays on, so no one else can use your iPhone without your Apple ID. So here's the bottom line. Use iCloud or iTunes if you want to recover everything at once. But if you want to recover specific files from your backup without wiping another device, Dr. Fone Data Recovery is the best tool for the job. Check the link in the description to download Dr. Fone and start recovering your data today. And remember, always keep Find My iPhone turned on. It's your first line of defense if your device ever goes missing. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with someone who might need it.